Alright, so this is like the old-fashioned cooking style, which they used like
is
a local
what
firewood.
I cook
This
it.
is terracotta. This whole thing is made up of earth, clay, that the
Terracotta.
mold terracotta stuck onto here. And then you've got your fire, of course, which you
This
can
is
put into
another
here,
icing.
put it to the side.
I love
And
it.
this is coconut shell. That's curry, rice and curry. And yeah, that's the way. So this is like a lot more sustainable than anything else we got. Ecological way, ecological way.
What
Well,
this
it's-
dish is? This is another
Yeah.
terracotta dish.
Another terracotta.
This
This
is-
can
this
all
is
go over
when
the
they-
fire.
They drain the rice.
Drain
When
the
you cook
rice.
the rice,
Yeah.
I'll show you what they cook the rice in.
And here's the view, obviously from the place, which we like. Just this is we're at evening time. About to be sundown. It's all forest and everything all around.
Cook the rice in this.
That's the rice cooker. Yeah, that's
and
the
then
one.
you put a plate on this and you leave
And
it
then
like this
exactly
for draining.
for draining. Okay, perfect.
Just like
That's the way. This is perfect.
Oh, this one too.
That's when the breeze blows.
I have a lot of incense.
Yeah, frankincense and all. Do you
No,
use?
I don't have.
Oh, that's a
use that.
yeah, absolutely.
When it's storming outside, you will hear this.
Okay, now I'll take you to the best part of the house. Come on.
Oh, the best part even now.
There's another best part
I'm gonna
down.
leave this